Magandang gabi. So this is 4G. Meron tayong bagong i-release ngayon, guys. This one, Biyaheng Luzon. So thank you Mr. Shano for trusting us. So very loaded yung unit niya, guys. Maraming additional, maraming modification. So isa-isahin natin yung specs, kung ano yung nilagay at additional ni client, at saka yung magkano yung inabot. So guys, this is the 64W 4x2. Tapos low roof. The same time, naka-Janay bumper. So, kung na-observe nyo, iba yung headlight ni client. Requested ni client to. Modification namin to. So, gawang Janay yan. So, this is projector headlight. Minodify namin. Actually, this is the, yung headlight na to, ito yung, yung casing niya is the stock, but yung projector at saka yung mga LED strip dito, in additional namin kasi request ni client yan. At the same time, merong room wiper. Dito naman, check natin kung ano pang ibang additional ni client. Nakano siya, smoke running fender light, tapos naka fender chrome na running din, tapos naka 15 inches rims by MMD. So ito yung pinili ni client, outer na rims. The same time, ito additional din to ni client, kasi sa stock na unit walang signal chrome side mirror. So ito makikita nyo, nag-additional si client. Tapos naka stainless set, pellar, trim, at saka sliding. Additional din yan. At ito, additional ni client, crown bar handle. So this is dual sliding. I-check natin yung sliding ng unit. So si client yung nag-choose ng upholstery. Tapos ito naman, meron siyang headrest monitor at saka naka-dual aircon yung unit niya. Dito naman sa loob, naka Android 9 inches. Tapos yung doom light ni client, naka LED yan, additional. Merong backing sensor at saka backing camera. At the same time, merong turbo timer at temp gauge na merong voltmeter. Tapos naka pop-up horn. Tapos naka quick release to, guys. So additional ni client yan. At the same time, naka door seal na every wagon. And also meron siyang underlights at saka underglow. So kung makita nyo mga ilaw na yan, additional ni client yan. Tapos very loaded talaga kasi naka dual aircon din yung unit. So dito sa likod, naka Janay din. Tapos two-tone yung concept ni client sa pintura. So siya yung pumili, siya yung nag-choose ng color. At saka sa dome light ng second row, LED din yan, additional yan ni client. So loaded na loaded. Naka dual aircon, naka headrest monitor, tapos naka Janay, naka VIP ceiling. Same time, meron din siyang additional na back chair. The other side, meron gastang cover si client. Additional din yan. So functional yung sliding niya. So combination ng upholstery is cream at saka parang patay na orange. Or yung ceiling niya VIP, tapos yung buttons is white. So very elegant yung unit ni client. Saka meron tong push button hood at gas. So check natin. Open. At saka check natin yung hood. So guys, sa ganitong unit, maraming ino-observe, maraming modification. So ganito lang yan, medyo matagalan yung mga ganitong setup kasi hindi siya ordinaryong setup kasi very loaded na loaded talaga. Actually yung unit ni client umabot ng almost 430,000. So sa mga ganitong unit guys, sa nagtatanong, pwede bang ilong drive? Yes, pwedeng ilong drive. Sa pangat, pwede siya. Kasi turbo yung unit natin. PMS. Pag ganitong unit, since surplus yung unit, it means sikanhan pa rin yung unit galing Japan. Tapos, chap-chap pa siya pag dating dito sa atin. Like, pwede PMS natin, change oil, change air filter, nag-total body cleaning tayo, tapos nagpalit tayo ng spark plug. At the same time, nilinisan natin yung strainer ng ETF natin, yung oil pan niya. At the same time, yung PCB valve cleaning, importante yan. Yung under chassis na walang kalampag yung maririnig sa client pag test drive ng unit natin. So ulitin ko guys, yung unit is D64W 4x2, turbo, dual sliding, naka-dual aircon, naka-GNI bumper, naka-modification na headlight natin na projector. So that's what I've said, yung unit ni client, siya yung pumili, siya yung nagbuo, siya yung ng mga accessories, kami lang yung gumagawa. So all in all, lumabot ng almost 430,000 guys. So once again guys, this is Popoy G. Don't forget to like our YouTube channel and Facebook page. Lamang ang mailang. Thank you.